Hello, dear children. Good morning. Today I am going to continue your third lesson or mineral resources. So, all of you open page number 239. Open page number 239. I am going to continue the lesson or mineral resources. And children, I have asked you to do the warm up part and send it through WhatsApp. Do it, children, okay? Now, in our previous class, we have learned minerals and their types. So, what are the minerals? The natural occurring substances on the ground are called as minerals, right? And what are the different types of minerals? We can find metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. And in our previous class, we have learned about metallic minerals like iron, copper, manganese, aluminium and gold. In today's class, we are going to learn non-metallic minerals. Minerals in which metals are not found are called non-metallic minerals. So, in metallic minerals, we can find metals found on the minerals, whereas the minerals which does not consist metals, we call such minerals as non-metallic minerals. What are non-metallic minerals? Coal, petroleum, mica, limestone and salt are some examples of non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are like coal, petroleum, mica, limestone and salts. We cannot find metals in these minerals. Mica. India has the largest deposits of mica in the world. It is used mainly in electrical goods. It is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. So, mica is famous in India, and India has the largest deposits of mica in all over the world, and we use this mica in electrical goods, and we can find mica in the places like Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala in India. Next one is limestone. Limestone is used for making cement. Its deposits are found in the states of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Gujarat. So, limestone. We use limestone for making cement, and we can find limestone in the states of India like Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Gujarat. Next one is coal. Coal is used as fuel. We can use coal as a fuel. It is also used in generating electricity, heating and cooking and in various other industries. So, coal is used to generate electricity, for heating and for cooking, and it is also used for various other industrial purpose. Coal deposits are found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. So, we can find coals in the places like Jharkhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in our India. Next one is petroleum. Petroleum is found deep inside the earth and under the seabed. So, this is offshore oil drilling in Mumbai. This one. So, we can find petroleum inside the earth and under the seabed. Oil wells. What are oil wells? Deep wells dug into the ground to reach petroleum. Such we call them as oil wells. Oil wells are dug to reach the oil. Oil field is an area with many oil wells. So, this is the offshore oil drilling in Mumbai. This is one of the oil field we can call, right? The petroleum extracted is made pure by removing other substances present in it in refineries. So, the Petroleum that we get from these places is made pure by removing other substances present in these refineries. At refining petroleum, products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, cooking gas, etc. are obtained. While refining petroleum, we can take the products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, cooking gas from this petroleum. In India, Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai. In India, Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai have large petroleum reserves. So in India, we have petroleum reserves in Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai. Oil refineries are found in Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi. We can find these oil refineries in Mumbai, Chennai and Kochi in India. Petrol and diesel are used to run automobiles, trains and aeroplanes. We use petrol and diesel to run automobiles, trains and aeroplanes. Kerosene and cooking gas are used for cooking. We use kerosene and cooking gas for cooking. Other products from petroleum are used in making plastic and cosmetics. So, we can use other products from petroleum to make plastics and cosmetics even. Next one, natural gas. A natural gas is mainly found along with petroleum in oil fields. We can find natural gas with petroleum in oil fields. Conservation of resources. It is very important for us to remember that minerals are non-renewable natural resources. It takes a very long time for them to form. So, the important thing that we have to notice is that minerals are non-renewable natural resources. It takes a very long time to form minerals. We need to use them in a planned manner, or a time will come when they will be completely exhausted. So, we have to use the minerals in a planned manner, or else the time will come when they will be completely exhausted, means we cannot find them. Exhausted means something that can be completely used, so there is none left. Promoting the use of renewable sources of energy. Recycling of metals by using scrap should be encouraged. So we have to promote the use of renewable sources of energy, and we have to promote recycling of metals by using scrap. The government also needs to monitor illegal mining in many states. So the government has to take charge on illegal mining in many places, which is happening in present situations. We should try to find alternative sources of energy which would reduce our dependency on these exhaustible resources. So in order to conserve these resources, we have to find an alternate dependency even. So this is all about the lesson, our mineral resources. So once go through the lesson, children. In this lesson, we have learned about minerals and their types. Metallic minerals like iron, copper, manganese, aluminium, gold, and non-metallic minerals like mica, limestone, coal, petroleum, natural gas, and conservation of resources, right? So once go through the today's video, children. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Bye children. Thank you.